Peace and blessings, family. Tim here from Tim the Truth TV, founder of HW7.com. Just here today to talk about the name of the video is Military Diet Debunked. Military Diet Debunked. Uh, Basically, I'm going to explain exactly how the military diet works, what it consists of, and is it good for you or is it not good for you. Basically, the military diet says that you lose weight in 3 days. I've been on YouTube looking at different uh, testimonials or whatever you want to call them, or different experiments or whatever you want to call them. But okay, in a nutshell, the military diet is pretty much when a bunch of starch and stuff like that, and hot dogs and things of that sort that I've seen. Okay, just to let you know, this is not a good diet at all. Um, this diet is can be very detrimental to your health if you keep this diet up for more than for a long time or what have you. But say 3 days you can lose weight. I've seen a lot of people have lost weight in 3 days, and that it did or what have you. But not disputing that. But it's a good way and it's a bad way to lose weight. So this is not a good way to lose weight. This is a pretty like I said, this can be pretty detrimental on the body if you keep this diet up for a long period of time. You can go through something called ketoacidosis. Is when basically the body goes to diabetic ketoacidosis, what have you. When the body um, glucose levels shoots up high, you can go into a diabetic coma and things of that sort. And they say it's not sugar in this diet. And you might be thinking like, why is it? Why can you how can you go into a diabetic coma if there's very little sugar in this diet? That's not true, because starch breaks down into sugar, and there's a lot of starch in this diet. It's crackers, it's bread I've seen in the diet. Bananas has sugar in it as well, but really the crackers and the bread. But you should never be on a diet like that. That's not really a diet. And I don't really like saying diet anyways. It should be a way of life, a way of living. The way you eat should be your way of life. The way that you eat, that should be the way you live. That should be a part of your daily routine, the way you get up. Okay, you can have little splurge days or little things, have little snacks here and there, but ultimately, you should have a good, healthy, you know, live lively plan that live lively eating plan that you have. Like I said, this can put the body into a state of ketosis. Um, I'm sorry, ketoacidosis can put the body into a state of ketoacidosis and really become detrimental. Ketoacidosis can be acid in the blood, and you can actually die from this. Like I said, you can go to a diabetic ketoacidosis coma, and like I said, you can pretty much die from. Eventually, you could die from that. So okay, it's not a good diet at all. Like I said, it's military diet debunked because it's not a really a good diet. You 3 days, okay, you're losing calories, but just because you're losing calories, that doesn't mean you're losing calories the right way. You know what I'm saying? You can lose calories and still not and still not be healthy. You can lose calories at a rapid rate, and still not be healthy. It says 3 days, um, 10 calories in 3 days. 10 pounds. I'm sorry, 10 pounds in 3 days. That's pretty good, but you lose calories and not be healthy. Okay, you need to be health calories because it's very important that you gain health at the same token while gain all your the micronutrients that you need while you're losing this weight. Because like I said, you can lose calories and lose weight um, and still not be healthy. So we want to focus on that. Like my 14-day plan, it focuses on getting your health back in order, and at the same token losing weight the right way. Okay, so basically this military diet, it basically is, like I said, it's a bunch of starch, and starch breaks down to sugar. Okay, the body um, takes the food that you have, that you intake, that you consume, and it breaks it down to energy. It uses, it breaks it down to energy. It's called what you may call metabolism or metabolic rate. Okay, the body metabolic rate breaks down the food that you consume and turns it into energy. So what we want to do, we want to have the food that we consume, and we want to turn it into energy the right, to turn it into energy the right kind of way. Okay, and by the body's consuming more nutrients from the food that we eat. You know, those foods that in the military diet, they're not they don't have any nutrients in them. You know, most of the foods like the bread and stuff like that. You know, some of the foods, okay, made of bananas, the peanut butter, the hot dogs definitely don't have any nutrients. It's pretty much dead food. So um, so our metabolic rate needs to break down the foods that we consume. Um, you know, like fruits, veggies, and things of that sort, and break them down and turn them into nutrients. Not only break them down to energy, turn them into nutrients, and sort of distribute throughout the body where the nutrients can be beneficial to you and not be detrimental to you in the long run. Okay, so we want to pretty much get on a diet, or should I say, a way of living, a health plan that that I like to say, and and use and basically and on the right way, have to do it the right way, guys. It's a wrong way and a right way to do everything, and it's definitely the wrong way to consume starches and things of that sort on a regular basis like that, and trying to lose weight or what have you. But the thing is, with my plan, my 14-day plan, it creates energy, gives you energy. It breaks, it alleviates any health concerns, anything like that, and it also loses weight. With my plan or what have you. So the thing is with the military diet is, like I said, it could be good for those few days, but it can be very detrimental to your health. Like I said, you eat like that all the time with cottage cheese and stuff like that. That's another thing. All this dairy, this acid becomes acid. Okay, and it put acid into the blood. Ketoacidosis. Okay, so what we want to do with the scientific terminology of losing weight is going to putting the body in a state of ketosis. Okay, ketosis, pretty much breaks through the food that either sugar and turns it into energy, or burns fat and turns it into energy. What we want to do, we want to burn fat and turn the fat into energy. And at the same token, we're losing weight. Okay, burning sugar, we're not losing weight burning sugar. All we're doing is burning sugar, and then the body is dumping the sugar off into like in your gut area or something like that, and you're not losing weight, and then you're becoming diabetic and stuff like that. Like I said, bread and stuff breaks down to sugar, and think in that military diet, it has eggs and stuff like that in it, and it basically uh, it has eggs and things like that, and dairy and stuff like that, and that's basically acidic too as well. So we want to get away from those type of foods. My plan has those foods in it, but they're mostly and it has meat in it as well. But the majority of it is fruits and veggies, and that's what we want to focus on in losing weight. Okay, like my 14-day plan, it has recipes, it has the right kind of way to lose weight and putting the micronutrients back in your body. It has different exercise, even though you don't need exercise to lose weight. I'll make another video about that. And it's just the right way of losing weight, and it's just 14 days, guys. It's 14 days. That's the whole military diet. That long term is not looking good at all. It's not good for you at all. And like I said, my 14-day plan, you're gonna be in tip-top health, and you're gonna lose weight, and that's basically what it boils down to. So, guys, that's pretty much my 14-day plan. You can get it at www.healthwell7.com. It's going to be in the description below. www.healthwell7.com. It's an excellent plan. It's my ebook. Should I say it's an ebook? I put it in the ebook. My plan is in the ebook, and it's a $16 ebook. It's in the description below. www.healthwell7.com. You can purchase it. Go on www.healthwell7.com. Go to the 14-day plan tab and purchase it on there. And guys, let's get on our way to health. But the military diet is a no-no. You can use it, like I said, for 3 days. You can experiment on it or something like that, things that sort. But after you take my 14-day plan, you'll be in tip-top health. You have the energy that you need, and you put all the nutrients back in your body that you need. You're gonna feel much better, and you're not gonna feel bloated or anything like that. So www.healthwell7.com. Like, please share the video, subscribe, comment, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace and blessings.